Hello, today for our experiment we're going to do a project called tie-dye milk. For your supplies you'll need a shallow dish, some milk, any kind of milk will work. The lower the concentrated the better it'll work, so I'm using 2% milk, so 1% milk will do better, and skim milk will do fine just as well. And then we'll need food coloring. One is fine, but the more colorful you want to make it, the more colors you'll need. And then liquid dish soap, and then a cotton swab to dip the cotton swab into the liquid dish soap. I would use this experiment with any grade, but I believe that it works very well with 3rd grade to looking at observations and completing experiments. So here's our project. Okay, the first direction for the tie-dyed milk is to pour a layer into the bowl. And then you're going to get your food coloring and place drops. You can place the drops anywhere. Okay, after you place your drops, you're going to soak your cotton swab in the Dawn dish detergent. And then place the cotton swab directly onto the milk. To incorporate this video into a classroom, I would use the scientific method. I have a 3rd grade standard, and it's called GLE 0307. It's explore different scientific phenomenon by asking questions, making logical predictions, planning investigations, and recording the data. So I would use this in a 3rd grade classroom. While they pour the layer of milk and put the food coloring on the milk, I would ask them what's happening to the milk, what's happening to the food color, and then once they poured the dish soap onto the milk and watch the food coloring show a tie-dye effect, then I would ask what's happening with the milk and the tie-dye and the dish soap for them to make the chemical reaction. This can also be involved with surface tension because the milk has a more dense surface tension compared to the food coloring, and once you put the dish soap onto the milk, it lowers the surface tension, so that would be also a great activity to involve surface tension.